Alright everybody, truck is back together. We don't have exhaust on it. Wink's gonna fire up here, first start on it. What's up everybody, I'm Michael of Full Send University. That's Connor right there. This is his L5P Denali. You've probably seen a few previous videos of us picking it up. We put Duramax jacks, wheels, and tires on it. Jack is a great guy. Today, we're gonna put a high flow emissions kit on this thing. If you know, you know. So, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe down below. But right now, we're gonna tear into it.
At least when you buy this delete kit for $5,000, they send you a PDF for the instructions on how to do all this. Look at this shit. Six?
Dude, you were cheap. You were cheap too on back and forth. You didn't even put them on the front only. That's pain in the ass.
Yeah, 60 steps to take it apart. Now it's probably 15 steps to put it back together since we're getting rid of everything here. But yeah, 60 steps.
Oh yeah, maybe safety glasses would be a good idea.
You want some?
Yeah, let's go.
Parker.
To cut the drive shaft? What the heck? No wonder it's rattling. He's cutting the drive shaft.
Parker, you were killing this dude.
I was till
Wait, let me see that. Parker, tell the viewers what we're doing right now.
Oh, we're hacking off a exhaust at the moment. Be nicer if this truck was lifted a little more though, so I could move around.
Well, it looks good the way it's lifted though.
Yeah, looks great. When you're underneath it, you can't even move. Look at Buddy's shoulders. Nope, can't make a full rotation.
Crack me
Son
up.
of a bitch.
Look at this kid, look behind you. Here we go, this kid.
This fucking... You are... Dude, look at this blade. Look at this limp, thick-ass blade that we're supposed to try to cut on.
Did you even put a dent in it?
You Ryan, 3/4 of the way cut. Bend this
Look
blade.
how you're holding.
I gotta bend the blade back. You old bred a new blade.
Me?
Yeah, dude. Trying to use Milwaukee with the wall. That's the problem. Son of a bitch.
No, I think it's a user error.
Yeah, that's right.
Look what you're doing.
I'm trying to bend. Like, you know, started right now.
Dude, we got the peanut gallery over here.
Yeah, honestly.
Right. Yeah, because somebody.
You don't even know what we're cutting.
I don't think you do.
You're running running a jackhammer in the concrete.
You have freaking.
First things first, I don't know why you're cutting it there.
Why?
It unbolts right there.
Okay.
You have to cut it
What
there.
do you? Why would I not? Okay, so just unbolt it there.
It is unbolted.
Okay, so just pull it off. Why are we cutting anything?
You gotta cut it back there.
For what?
Right before the axle so you can get it out.
What do you mean, dude? Pull it off here, and then this will just pull right up. If you pull this down,
You have to cut it right here, and then right there. You have to cut this resonator out to get the exhaust out.
what do you think this is?
Whatever.
The same resonator.
You get it out.
Whatever, dude. I'll listen to you because you're a diesel mechanic.
Dude, you gotta finish your job, your hack job.
No, let that there.
Dude, what happened?
Gooner. Right when it slipped off and split me.
Park, tell them about your hand injuries. You don't.
I don't actually complete a job once I get a hand injury. Splinter has to come out before we resume play. And cuts, make sure to stop bleeding. Don't need stitches because, buddy here, I actually almost lost this thumb. Moving a fridge.
For a friend. Fine, you want to be the other way on the creeper. Other way, buddy.
Yeah, see if you can get under here better and see if you can finish that cut. And I'll move it for you.
What, right here?
Yeah, you gotta cut that all the way through. But
All the way up top there?
Yeah.
Holy piss.
Yeah, that's what I mean. You can't get the underneath it.
Look at this
I'm
kid.
sliding on this creep.
Watch this kid trying to
You
cut
can't
this.
move around, dude.
Watch. So we're gonna check back in on him in a minute because I'm tired of laying down there in the dirt. Look at me. Filthy. That's a mess. Do never do whatever the heck you want to call this because this is ridiculous. Waste of time. What happened right here? Where'd that go?
She gone.
What was that?
Junk.
Let's go check where the junk is. Look at that. Park, you defeated?
Yep, there's the first one.
Yesterday.
What?
This is why, ladies and gentlemen, you take it to professionals. Not a bunch of Elmers in a shop on a Saturday.
Battery out.
I would explain a lot more for you guys, but I do not know what's going on right now. This is way, way above my head. Like I said, I make YouTube videos. I don't build diesel trucks. What's up, everybody? We're hour 4 right now. 4.5, almost 5 of deleting this truck. Morale is low. Sleepiness high. Give you a little view here of the engine bay. Turbo is back on, diamond pipe's down through there. Y pipe is on over here. We're trying to find out these hoses over here for all the coolant and stuff like that.
Wait, you see this here?
Plugging stuff in, put the alternator on. We're determined just to get the whole engine part rigged up and going tonight. The exhaust probably gonna have to happen tomorrow, but doing pretty good.
Uh-oh, it's broken.
Dude, I think it's missing some parts. I missed it. Well, started, boys. Yep.
Dope. Ain't gonna sound like Prius no more, you know it.